Okay, so we are going to integrate the integral of sec x. So sec x has been of challenge to many students. So you just have to master a certain way of doing it, then you'll be able to come up with answer. So should be in your mind to say what's the integral of sec x after we're done this video. Okay, so let's get started. So the question is integrate sec x. So what you do, the first step after you see this question, or just where you see the integral of sec x dx. So the first step that we are going to do is we'll write the integral of sec x dx like that. So you multiply it by this thing that I want to write here. Okay, so sec x tan x like that. So it's sec x plus tan x. There must be plus here. Okay, so sec x tan x, then open bracket, then cross like that. Then again you divide the denominator with the same as the numerator. You write it. So we are saying it's more like the conjugate, though not really conjugate. So say sec x tan sec x plus tan x. There's nothing we have changed here. It's just a situation whereby I'm just multiplying times 1, because this, when you cancel this, it will give you 1, right? But there's nothing we have done here, so you master it like that. So it goes like that. Okay, so from there then we'll say what is sec x times sec x? That should give you sec x squared. So this will be sec x squared. Then what is sec x times tan x? It will give you sec x tan x. So plus sec x tan x like that. Okay, so that's what you get as the numerator. What about the denominator? So there's just 1 here which you're multiplying. There's 1 there, so we are multiplying direct. So that will give you sec x plus tan x like that. So once you have this, then, by the way, this is all the integral. So once you have this, then we are going to say let u be equal to sec x plus tan x like that. So this is plus, by the way. Okay, so we're going to say let x be equals to this. So to find the du, so say du, since this is u, let's find its derivative. So say du, what is the derivative of sec x? That is sec x tan x. So to give you sec x tan x. Then what is the derivative of tan x? That should give you sec squared x. Okay, yeah, that should give you like that. So then dx like that. So meaning that we'll make dx the subject of the formula. So it will be dx is equal to du over this thing here, which is sec x tan x plus sec squared x like that. So that's what you get. So when you replace here, by the way, there was the x there, right? So this is the dx, so we'll go put there. Okay, so once we put there, so it will be the integral of sec squared plus sec x tan x then there's a times there, so we put dx. So dx it is now, we just substitute this, so which is this. So that's our dx. So we can put here, so it will be du. By the way, this was over sec x plus tan x, like that. So then we're replacing now dx there, so that's du over sec x tan x, like that. So we are replacing that. That's it, sec x tan x, then plus sec squared x, like that. So we are going to realize that this thing and this thing, they are the same. So what do? We cancel them. So this and this goes, so remain with, and this is our u, right? So remain with the integral of 1 over, this is our u, by the way. So we'll say this, what is down here, that's our u, remember. So we'll say du, like that. So since u matches with the du, so the function can continue by saying the integral of this thing, it will be the natural log of 1 over, let's say x, it's the natural log of, you put brackets like this, get brackets, modulus, you put modulus of that u, which is this function, let's say x. So you know, you were integrating 1 over x should give you natural log of x, like that. So this is what we do also, natural log of u, like that. So meaning that we just replace u, we know u, so we say natural log of, what is our u? U is this thing that we have here, that's our u. So say sec x plus tan x, we cross with that modulus there. So this is our answer that we are supposed to get. So wherever you was asked to say what is the natural log of, you just like this. So this should be in your memory, very simple. So that's how to integrate sec x. Thank you for watching the video. Please subscribe and also don't forget to like our videos. Thank you.